and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this moss stitch pattern, crochet pattern. It looks the same on both sides, and edges look like this because we carried on the yarn over the work. Let's get started. For this project, we are going to use a 3.5 millimeters hook, and we will start with a slip knot. And then we will chain 20. You have to chain a multiple of 2. We have now 20 chains, and we will start the work in the 4th loop. So we skip the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and we go here, and we will make a single crochet. We will chain 1. We will skip the next and going into the 2nd one here and make a single crochet, and we will repeat this until the end of the row. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and 1 single crochet. Now we will grab our second color, and we will pick this up like this. We will go into these 2 loops from the last single crochet, and we will pull the yarn through like this. We will slip the other one, and we will continue with the new color. Chain 2 and flip the work. In the next row, we will skip the first stitch, and we will go into this 1 chain space from below, and we will make 1 single crochet. Chain 1, going to the next 1 chain space below, make another single crochet, chain 1, and so on. This will be our row for the entire pattern. Next one, chain 1. We are now at the end of the row. Chain 1 and go into the next chain stitch here and make the last single crochet. We will join a new color, a 3rd color, to our work. And we will do the same. It's important not to cut the yarn. We will leave it like this. We will go through these 2 loops again. We will pull it through. Chain 2 and flip the work. Again, skip the next one and go into the one chain space below, one single crochet, chain one, go here to the next space, chain one, and so on. I am now at the end of row 3, chain 1, go into the chain space here, one single crochet, and now we will switch the color to the first one. So this is the color that we will use now, and we will go again through these 2 loops, pick the yarn, leave the other one. This is why we don't have to cut the yarn, because we will use it on the 3rd row. 1, 2, turn the work, skip the first stitch, go into the chain space below here, chain 1, one single crochet, chain 1, skip the next one, go into the next space below, chain 1, and do the same until the end of the row. I am now at the end of this row. I will go into my last space here, make one single crochet, chain 2, flip the work, and go into the first space, chain 1, one single crochet, then chain 1, and so on. One single crochet into the next space, chain 1, and you keep doing this row, this pattern. It's basically a single row pattern that you have to repeat with each color until the desired length. Chain 1, going to the next space. There is another way to change colors, and at this step you do not grab the same color. Instead, you can grab the next color that you want to use. So, like this. You can use each method you like, you prefer. 1, 2. The result is the same. This is how it looks. And then we will continue with the pattern in the same way. I am at the end of my work, but first I wanted to, before finish, I wanted to show you how I like to wave in the ends here. So I already did this for this color, and we'll go through these two loops like this, go through back, this, and bring it here, this loop, and going back. And here pull it through these two loops again, and cut the yarn. And it is all secured now. Let's make our last row. We will chain 2, flip the work, and we will make one half double crochet into each space, separated by one chain. So first, one half double crochet here, chain 1, going to the next space, another half double crochet, chain 1, and so on until the end. Chain 1 and last half double crochet, and chain 1, cut the yarn, wave in this end, and this is our final work. This is how the edges look. Happy crochet!